Dual Rufa. I created Higher Kingdom. I engineered that. A skate park. A volleyball crude. Empty blooms. And a Hagar Thames. And there's a two beautiful daughter of Dimple Romana. Are you my daughter? Are you my daughter? I said, ask. Why asking me you are my daughter? I'm your daughter. You are my daughter. Because you're beautiful and wise. And you want me to be the queen of the Higher Kingdom? They said, why not? Oh good. Dual Rupa. Two of you, yeah? Okay. And started in the Milky Way when they dwell in the Milky Way. Milky Way, they're all Trump, not a Trump, not a cod, but Trump, the dwelling place of those who are wise and beautiful. Oh, there's in the side. Who they are? They're dragons. They're dragons, and it's nearly they will want to conquer you, beautiful and wise, handsome and wise. Oh, are you not my daughter, Queen Rufa, dual queen? I said no. You are came from my mother and the fucking dragon father. Oh, your father came from that North Kingdom, in the north of the side of the Milky Way. Oh yeah, fuck hell. I told you are my daughter, but can you be my wife? And they look so angry. Why? Do you want your father? No. Why? Give us a son, and we are your wife. I said, first Rufa, what's the name? All right, I'll give the name. Okay, Gon. Nice name. And he will be a mighty hunter, not of the four-footed animals, but fish who swimming on the water, and we will go for exam, go for the depth, and I will be dual hunter, and he will be Asim, okay? And you second Rupa, I want like Gon. They will be like twins. Oh, what's the name? Call him M-Site. Oh, M-Site? Yeah, but M-Site means love mama so much. Not you, but me. I said, alright, it's fine. It's whatever you like, but you are my wife, yeah? Yes. Fuck my father. Fuck the dragons. Show me that you are wiser than our father, and we will be with him, and we will bore a son, a daughters with him, a beautiful son and daughters, and Gon is nothing. M-Site is nothing. I said, what the fuck? Alright, one day I will face him. If I lose, I'm dead. I lose everything. I bet my life, okay? If I win, I'll win all of you, princesses, queens, because I created Higher Kingdom, and now it's your dwelling place. So yes, this is a Milky Way. What you mean Higher Kingdom? I create Higher Kingdom for all of us dwelling place. For sure, but beat my father, okay? If you face him. So yes, I will beat him. He is a dragon, and I'll make him a rat. Oh shit, don't speak a word that you never prove. I said, no, 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 no. Remember, I have time. 3 times I beat him already. Shit, show to us first. Rupa is there. I don't want to go down to earth. And Rupa is there, and Rupa will watch everything, and I will see that. I said, okay. That is Yuma 109. I will beat him, okay? Don't be proud. And M-Site mother shouted at me, don't be fucking proud. It's never happened yet. And you said you beat him, our father. I said, fuck your father. Fuck your father, you know? And you never get any from him. So what? He's still our father. I said, I'm not getting the fatherhood to him. I'll never ever want any fatherhood to anyone, but you request that, and I will show that to you. Rupa, second Rupa, mother FM site. She said, alright. And the time comes when I get Yuma 109. Fuck that. I thought this was an easy fight. No, fuck that. And Allah pierced me like a Christ. Oh, fucking hell. I thought this is an easy fight, but I'm wrong. But it's alright. It's alright. This is a life I choose. And, oh shit, I miss. And why they are shouting? No, you're not. And I hear the voice. No, you're not. No, you're not, miss. And I'm cry. I thought I lose everything. My loving country. My country that my mother gave me. That's a gift from my mother. Because I am the only son she have. The gift, I will lose. I will lose everything. My family that I value. My mother, my father, my nanay, my tatay. Everything of them I will lose. And I will be like, what? Rugs in the garbage can. And they were shot. You didn't miss. Oh shit. And then I check my, and I evaluate it. Oh fuck, point fucking one. And fuck you all. The fucking dragons become a rat. And then I'm so proud of myself. I said, Rupa, you see that? Alright, burst me. Fuck you. Then I verse Rupa and I block her. Oh yeah, didn't miss. So they understand that I didn't miss. And those souls in the Eye Kingdom, and the one Rupa crying, and he said, I hear his voice. Alright, Adi Garcia, you prove yourselves. So gone, M-Site, mother, dual, Rupa become my dual Rupa wife ancestry. So time will come. It's not just 1 billion, 1 trillion, and quillion son and daughters I will have to them. But geometry, 310 quillion colors, son and daughters of them, because they are queen of the higher kingdom. They engineer higher Hunter X and Omega. And because of that, I win the war against all those prouds, those fucking buggers, those fucking intruders of my land, those fucking proud lineage. And I will be lift up my hands and point to heaven and said, I did it.